Mikkel Haarup, who raced for the Triumph Factory team in the MX2 class in 2024, securing a fifth place position in that series, will continue with the team, sort of, for 2025 and 2026, but it will be in a different capacity. In 2025, he will transition into a development role between Triumph and Monster Energy Triumph Racing to fine-tune the TF 450 RC ahead of the MXGP debut in 2026. Then, in 2026, after he has helped develop that bike, he will return to full-time racing in the FIM MXGP, the full-bore big boy class. He's been signed with the team, I think, since 2023. He helped develop the TF 250X, which was the bike he was riding already. So it's not a bad deal for him, probably. As a development rider, the bike is going to be very much what you want it to be. If you're going to be the one on it all day, every single day, it's going to be very much to your liking probably by the end of the time frame. So when 2026 rolls around, when they are in the MXGP class as a full bore team, it's going to be probably pretty close to what he would want. We do have a quote from him saying, quote, "It's an honor for me to once again say that I'll be part of Triumph and Monster Energy Triumph Racing. Next year, I'll be working closely with Triumph's engineering department to develop the bike that I'll be racing on the following year. This is a one-of-a-kind opportunity and something that I couldn't say no to. It'll be an experience that will set us up nicely for the MXGP season in 2026, where I'll not only be making my debut in the MXGP class, but it will be Triumph's as well. To be able to do this with the brand and the racing team that I've worked with for more than a year already, really is something special, and I'm excited to get started." This is good news. I mean, obviously, for him to have a ride for the next 2 years, you're pretty well set. You don't have to worry about that. And to build a bike that you're going to like, if you're going to be making your debut in MXGP, this is good for him. I mean, we'll see how it works out for the team, for how the bike and anybody else that rides it. But for him, this should be exactly what you want. You're going to have a year of time sitting, riding, developing it, and saying, this needs to change. I like it this way. It should go that way. No, this isn't good. No, this is good. So by the time it comes around, he should be very comfortable on it. And it's just going to be a thing at that point of whoever they sign for the other 450 ride. I'm assuming they'll have a two-person team, more than likely. Uh, how they feel about it, how the team actually runs, how the bike is, if it's actually competitive. Because if you have let's be honest, if you have a bad development rider, if a bad development time frame for your bike, you can set you back massively. If it's not good, if it's only, acceptable or not acceptable, but only comfortable for one person or one riding style. If you have to have all the same kind of people on it, then it's not going to be a very easy bike to ride for anyone else. So we'll see how this works. I mean, I'm excited for this. I'm, like I say, more teams, more factory teams, especially, big money behind it, big money sponsors. This is a good thing, and we'll see how it rolls. But I want to ask you guys here: good, bad? Do you like this? Do you hate it? How do you think the bike's going to be in 2026? And whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Are you watching MXGP? Are you just a American motocross fan, Supercross, SMX kind of thing? Or are you just getting into it? Or if you haven't been a fan for a while? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.